Hey everyone, welcome back to the Humble Hamlin, your go-to spot for tips on building a healthier mind, body, and spirit. Today we're diving into a topic that's perfect for beginners and anyone looking to grow fresh produce indoors. Whether you're looking to boost your mental well-being or just enjoy some fresh herbs right from your kitchen, these tips will set you up for success. Let's get started. 1. Find the ideal location. Location is key. Where you place your indoor garden matters. Ideally, keep it close to your kitchen. Fresh herbs and veggies are easy to reach and use. It's a great reminder to check on your plants. No space in the kitchen? Try a garage or greenhouse. Just make sure it's a spot you visit often. Pro tip, use a rug or mat to protect your floors. Your floors and your plants will thank you. 2. Use high-quality lighting. The second tip is all about light. A good light source is essential when you're growing indoors. LED grow lights are your best friend here. They're energy efficient and stay cool to the touch. If you got the LED indoor grow lights with your tower garden, you're all set. Otherwise, choose lights designed for plant growth. Run your lights for 14 to 16 hours a day. And here's a little secret. Plants need darkness too. A little rest time in the dark helps them grow even better. Automate this with a timer. It's one less thing to worry about. Now, if you're new to indoor gardening, start with something simple. Lettuces, leafy greens, and herbs are perfect for beginners. Not only are they easier to grow, but they also offer a surprising variety of flavors and textures. Imagine adding fresh basil to your pasta or tossing some kale into your morning smoothie, all grown right in your living room. Here's a quick list of plants that thrive indoors: arugula, kale, spinach, basil, mint, and more. That's just a start. And the variety is endless. Trust me, you won't feel limited. Tip number 4 is crucial. Start with strong seedlings. If you're planting from seeds, you have full control over the process, which means a lower risk of pests and healthier plants overall. Plus, it's super satisfying to watch your plants grow from the very beginning. But if you're short on time, you can always buy high-quality seedlings from trusted providers. Just make sure they're compatible with indoor growing. Starting from seed or seedlings, either way, you're on your way to a thriving indoor garden that you'll love showing off. Finally, let's talk about watering. Your tower garden's pump needs to be set just right for indoor environments. Unlike outdoor gardens, indoor plants don't need constant watering, so make sure you set your pump timer to the I setting for indoor growing. This adjustment helps extend the life of your pump and reduces energy consumption. Less worry for you, and your plants stay happy and hydrated. And there you have it, our top 5 indoor growing tips for beginners. Whether you're trying to improve your diet, support your mental well-being, or just enjoy the satisfaction of growing your own food, these tips will set you up for success. At the Humble Hamlin, we're all about helping you grow, literally and spiritually. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for joining me today, and remember, you've got this. Happy growing and God bless. See you next time.